Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Yo, what's up? It's time for Practical Hakka on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. 如果要允许做一件事情，应该会问说，可以吗？
做得吗？
做得吗 That means can I? Especially if you're still a kid at home, you might want to ask permission for a lot of things from your parents. 其实我们从小啊，你有没有印象？从5岁开始就是可以吗？这个玩具我要买，可以吗？我零用钱不够，可以给我多一点吗？
然后妈妈如果凶一点，不可以。
对 The kid love to ask for permission all the time. 所以今天我们来教一个就是有点小孩父母偏好的啦哈。Alright, so let's say a kid is asking for their parents' permission. Can I stay over at my friend's house tomorrow night? 明天晚上我要去朋友家，可以吗？
天公安补，
天公安补，
我愛去歇，
我愛去歇，
朋友不下，
朋友不下，
做得嗎？
做得嗎？可以嗎？要有點那樣子。
天公安補，
天公安補就是明天晚上，對不對？
對。
天公安補 that means tomorrow night. I want to go to my friend's house. 你說我
愛去歇，朋友不下。
這個我愛去歇，所以歇就是住的意思。
就是住。
住 OK。
我愛去歇，朋友不下。
朋友 that means a friend. A friend's house. 朋友不下。
做得嗎？
做得嗎 OK。真的，父母第一句話通常會先不答應再說，
做唔得，
慢慢再來說教，對不對？不可以 OK No,
自己
you cannot.
家有得住，干嘛去别人家住？
对，因为这个月我们常常很多事情都是可以，我们今天就教怎么说不可以。
做唔得，
做唔得 OK, that means no, you cannot. And of course, as a kid, you're gonna say 拜托让我去啦 Please, please, pretty please, can I go?
拜托不爱去啦，
拜托不爱去啦 OK, 拜托就拜托嘛 Please.
对，
然后让我去
不爱去啦，
不爱去啦Alright, let's review some of these phrases, such as tomorrow night, 明天晚上
天公安补，
天公安补 And then my friend's house, 朋友家
朋友不下，
朋友不下 That means friend's house. And then 不可以哦，怎么
做
说？
唔得，
做唔得 That means no, you cannot. 然后拜托
拜托，
拜托 That means please. Okay, these are all very useful phrases that you can use in different situations, not necessarily just this one. And it's all about asking for permission. 可以吗？
做得吗？
做得吗？ And now you know. That does for today's Practical Hakka.
什么太嘎？
俺是谁张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.